Hi. Say, come here. Say, good morning. Okay, guys, I have some friends coming over. We're gonna go, it's one of our friends' birthdays, so we're gonna go have some fun at the lake with some jet skis. So, we're gonna eat breakfast here. I'm gonna cook breakfast for them. I got some flapjack, protein, pancakes. I got some eggs, cage-free, orange juice, and that's pretty much it. So, real nice and simple. Of course, I got my coffee. Ah! Oh yeah, it's good.
Money, baby.
Just got home from the lake. Amy's grabbing Taylor. She's gonna come down, surprise her. Taylor! Hi, good girl! Hi, good girl! Oh, hi! You go potty? Hi. Go potty. Good girl. Good girl. Hi, kisses? Hey, come here. Hi, kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, stretch. Good girl. He's a good girl. We are back from the lake.
Ow.
How was it, baby?
fun.
Oh, it was so much fun. We missed her though. She was here all by herself for like 4 hours. But we're glad she's here. We love her. I know. Where's a good girl? She's a good girl.
Haley.
It was so fun though. We're all burnt. Went and grabbed some food. Where's a good? So then we're gonna get ready for the fight tonight. A little nap time now. So we will see you when we wake up. When we wake up.
Get money, baby.